Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye! In just a few moments, we will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
Welcome to the Disney Skyliner. Please keep your party together, filling in all available space. As a reminder, all double-wide strollers must be folded prior to boarding. In order to keep your weight.
And Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Say bon voyage to the Mediterranean. We are about to go island hopping at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
And they're starting on the Riviera. I see. It was robots.
Yes.
Which one is that? Robots?
Yes.
They're playing robots? Is that Disney?
We are now sailing over
What?
Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, where every day feels like a
that one.
Junkanoo
I didn't think that
celebration.
was Disney, but it is. That's cool.
There's no telling now.
That's true. That's what I see. Today's Thursday, right?
Yes.
I was like, I don't even know. I don't know
In
what
just
day
a
it
few
is.
moments, we will be landing at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
I saw inflating the screen when we were getting ready there.
I know where they keep our screen.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Oasis. But they play the movie if the fake grass.
Right.
That's what I call it. Fake grass. Every time Kelly or Amanda say,
Forever.
yeah. Oh, I'm not fake grass.
Welcome to the islands of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at this station. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
The last time I was like picking something, like the
Please remain seated as
Yeah.
the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your steps. Thank you for flying.
Guys, unless it picks it up.
small villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands. In just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast. Ciao, bonjour, and bienvenue. Hello, and welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeños.
Now approaching the Skyliner turn station. While this special station was designed just for turning, other Skyliner stations were designed to complement their unique environments. From the glamour of Disney's Hollywood studios to the laid-back islands of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Disney's Art of Animation Resort, please remain on board. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, permanezcan sentados. Your star-studded itinerary using your My Disney Experience mobile app. Academy. Welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor.